What an absolutely incredible car we've got here. Porsche Cayenne V6 turbo diesel 4x4. This is just an incredible car. Very, very special. Cost new just over £66,000. The factory fitted options list is just absolutely endless. £15,500 worth of factory fitted options. Finished in Carrara white metallic. It is absolutely stunning. It's got the black pack, which is just one of the options on it. It's got a PCM, which is the Porsche Command System with navigation. Let me take you around the car. It's just done 45,000 miles from new, 2 owners. Absolutely outstanding car all the way around. What an incredible car to drive it really is. Performance wise, handling, this is the beauty to have. Of course, the driving position with so many electric seat adjustment, memory adjustments as well. All the electric buttons down here. The memory settings, very quick and easy on there. Electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors as well. Electric windows all the way around. Paddle shift gear change. All the controls for cruise control, stereo, Bluetooth, all controlled off the steering wheel. Very easy to handle on that. Down here, the gear change, Tiptronic gear change. You can do it manually on there as well as the steering wheel. All the air conditioning, climate control, individual controls on there. Heated seats, all at a touch screen. Satellite navigation, straight on there. Mileage of just 45,893, that's all it's done. Look at these seats, absolutely gorgeous. They just hug you in, sport seats on that. You've got a panoramic sunroof as well, which is not only glass all the way through, it's also tilt and slide as well. You also have a blind for the panoramic roof as well, which again you can stop halfway through or close all the way along. The vehicle also has a reverse camera as well as parking sensors front and rear. Massive space in here. Just look at the legroom in there. Very comfortable for grown-up adults in there. The seats again in absolutely outstanding condition. No horrible smells in here. Non-smoker's car. Centre armrest as well with cup holders in there. Individual air conditioning as well in the rear, and of course rear BOSE sound system as well. So this car's also got a rear privacy glass, which just sets it off quite nicely with obviously the black and white on it. Electric tailgate, fabulous feature, I absolutely love it. Straightforward as that. Put your shopping in there quite easily. Massive load space there, rear luggage cover on there as well. Nice and clean, beautifully, not being abused anyway. Again, there's no marks, there's no damage on the loading area there. Rear parking sensors. And of course, beauty of that, press that, and it closed up on its own. So if you want any further information on this absolutely gorgeous Porsche, give me a shout, 01782 822 700. Test drive's always a pleasure. Please give me a call to make an appointment.